Great application for the cordless CARVEX is notching for flooring. I need to get this piece all the way down in underneath the jamb. So pretty simple, as I made my scribe marks here to cut this notch. Let's get it cut. Another great application for the cordless CARVEX is cutting perpendicular on rafter ends. Instead of doing just a straight angle cut, let's cut a nice decorative edge like you're doing a pergola. And I did this, I made a template and I traced it out so I have that consistency, and I'll just get cutting. I just want to show you an application I'm working on. I'm making a template to take to my final product, and I'm using the circle cutter with the cordless CARVEX because I need on my table to make a very slight arc. So I switched out the base. I got my circle cutter already set up, and that arc is appealing to my eye, so I'm ready to get cutting.